And I'm back out on another mission. Well, tonight I'm at Rivington. My first plan was to park at the viewing point, see if I can get a view of some firework displays, bonfires, because it's bonfire night tonight. So I got there and it's absolutely heaving. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to drive past it in a minute. State of this. I'll struggle even get past under man park up. Everybody for miles around is at the same idea. Oh well, tour it. So next plan is go to the car park, the main two car parks that you go to when you're going on to the Rivington Park. But I'm expecting them to be a bit chocker. It was quiet earlier, but so was this place. Right, so this is plan B. Up to now it's looking a bit full again. There's people at lay-bys is not a good sound. Nah, forget this. Well, that's done me on it. Do not climb on timber stacks. I think I'm going to park here and go for a little walk. I think that's all I can do. Well, it's about an hour later and this car park is about the same as it was an hour ago. Still chocker. I think these lads are lighting a firework here. Oh well. Well, I've decided I'm going to have a walk up to the park. Part way up now. Out of breath already. I remember that stone from when I used to run up here. That used to be the 3-minute marker. That you got to that in 3 minutes, you was on for a good time. Oh. Should be at Pigeon Tower in another 3 or 4 minutes. Well, I'm pretty sure I've missed the Pigeon Tower. I've gone right past it. It's that misty around here now. I can't see a thing. Almost like a farm rain. It's that misty. I'll bring you back when I get up near to top of Park. Tower now. I'll backtrack a bit. I think I missed the path going up. Not so bad the visibility is here. So carry on and try and get to the top of Park. visibility is like up here. Well, I'm part way down there and there's a toilet block behind me. I didn't even see that way up. That's how bad visibility is. I completely miss that. I'll switch back on when I get back in van. Well, I'm part way down and I don't know if camera's picking it up, but in darkness there's two dots lighting up. Oh, well, there was. They've now gone. Two dots that look like eyes, which have now disappeared, which has got me thinking they were definitely eyes. Yellow eyes. That's the worrying part. Yeah, well, let's crack on. It's about 10:30 at night now, it's still going mad here. Look who's turning up. Well, it was a bit lively on that last car park, so I've drove about half a mile right corner. So the other side, it moves the other side of the mast. So that's quite car park this. There's about 3 other vans on here, all camper vans, look like people who are living in the vans. So I'm talking a bit quiet. So get some food on in a bit. Get my phone set up, watch a bit of boxing when I've downloaded. Chill out time. Got the blackout curtains behind me there. Well, it's about 11 o'clock at night now. I'm a little bit cold and a little bit hungry, so I'm going to cook some food. Warm place up. Some food don't go. So I'm having chicken, curry sauce, jalfrezi, and spicy Mexican rice. They're all in this pan. I was going to fry the chicken, but I forgot the oil, so it's getting boiled. It's all a bit same, it'll be right. A good 20 minutes. Well, that chicken's 3/4 cooked, so it's right in there. Stirred up, a little bit of water left at the bottom of that. That heat back on. Jalfrezi. Oh yes. About 3 or 4 minutes now. Oh yes, look at that. There's a proper pan full. Chicken jalfrezi and spicy Mexican rice. Oh yes, look at this one. time for get down for night. That is me done dusted. I'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna chill out, watch some boxing, what I've downloaded. That's me done for night. Morning. Brew time. Yeah. $7 o'clock. Oh, slap melting.